Eat slowly, Lucy, and do not rush your breakfast.
Okay, Mom. I am eating slowly now.
Huh? I know things are hard now, but you are strong.
It is okay. I can still go to school.
Be honest, be brave, and always be kind today.
I will, Mom. I promise that I will try. Your bag is so beautiful, Chloe. I really love it. My aunt bought it from Paris, so it is very special. Yeah. It looks expensive, stylish, and very perfect for school. Because it is expensive, and that is why it looks amazing. Hi, Lucy. It is nice to see you this morning. Hi, Ben. It is nice to see you too. Look at her bag. It looks so old and worn. It looks older than the whole school building itself. That is not nice, and you should not say that. I was just telling the truth and nothing more. Let us just go inside. I do not want trouble.
Good morning, class. I hope you are all ready.
Good morning, teacher. We are ready for class.
Today we will work in groups and share ideas.
I do not want to work with Lucy today. She is too quiet anyway, and she says very little.
Lucy, Ben, Chloe, and Olivia are one group.
What? What? Why are we all in one group together? I will do my best and work kindly with everyone.
Please share ideas kindly and listen to each other.
We can start with question 1 and solve it together. I think I know the answer to this one. I'm certain this is the correct solution. Yes, I think the correct answer is this one. That is correct. You understood it very quickly. She is smarter than I thought she would be. I just wanted to say that I've thought about it and I apologize. Your bag still looks perfect, Chloe. It is so pretty. Of course. I always take very good care of it.
You did great in class today, Lucy.
Thank you, Ben. That means a lot to me. Let us go buy juice after school right now. Good idea. I want the mango one today. I think I will buy mango juice and maybe chips too. Oh, someone left a bag on this bench. This is Chloe's bag. I know it belongs to her. What happened? Why are you holding her bag? Chloe forgot her bag, so I picked it up.
She is not here now, and the yard is nearly empty.
I should return it. That is the right thing. Yes.
That is right, and I agree with you.
My bag. It was right here on the bench.
It was right here. I clearly remember seeing it.
Lucy has it. She is holding my bag.
Give it back right now. That is my bag.
I was going to return it to you, Chloe.
You were stealing it, and now you are lying.
No. I found it on the bench and picked it up. Then why are you holding it instead of leaving it? Because she was bringing it back to Chloe.
Just give it to me now, Lucy. I never wanted trouble from this. My wallet! Where is my wallet inside this bag? My wallet is missing. It is really gone. Oh no! That is very bad, Chloe. You took it, Lucy. You had the bag. No, I did not. I would never do that.
Stop. She found your bag and tried to help you.
And now my wallet is gone from inside it. I did not touch your wallet at all, Chloe.
What is happening here, and why are you shouting?
My wallet is missing, and Lucy had my bag.
Come with me now, and we will sort this out. Tell me everything clearly, and one at a time.
She had my bag, and now my wallet is gone. I found the bag on a bench in the yard. That is true. I saw the bag with my own eyes. The wallet was in the bag earlier, I think.
No one will be judged too quickly in this office. We will search carefully before saying anything else.
My card and money are inside that wallet too. When did you last open the bag, Chloe?
Near the juice shop, before we came back here.
Then maybe it fell there when you walked away.
Let us check the path right now together. Look carefully on the ground and near the bench.
I do not see it anywhere around here.
Wait. I think I can see something under the bench.
Is this it?
I found a wallet right here.
Yes. That is mine.
That is really my wallet.
Lucy told the truth from the beginning.
I said I did not take it, and I meant that.
I was wrong, and I judged you unfairly.
Me too. I was wrong as well.
Do not judge people by clothes, bags, or money.
Lucy, I am sorry for what I said. You hurt me very deeply, Chloe.
I know. I was proud, unfair, and unkind.
She was honest from the start, and we all saw it.
You returned my bag when you could have walked away. I only did the right thing. That is why you were better than me today. I forgive you, and I hope we can change. Money can buy a bag, but honesty is worth more.